Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to showcase the 5 best mid-range smartphones. Not everyone can afford a flagship phone like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or iPhone 12 Pro, but there are plenty of cheaper devices that offer an excellent experience all the same. Keep watching the video to find out the smartphone that suits your budget. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. This is OnePlus Nord. It is an outstanding affordable buy with great performance, 5G, OnePlus's signature Oxygen OS user experience, and a more diverse camera setup than the company has ever used on a phone. Available in 2 finishes, blue marble and gray onyx, the Nord looks different from the flagships but no less polished. It demonstrates the company's ability to prioritize the features and wrap them up in an attractive package with a compelling price point. It looks and feels like a phone twice its price, with a display and main camera lens to match. The 765G processor more than holds its own, and all of the camera lenses are solid except the forgettable macro shooter. The OnePlus Nord gets its priorities right, delivering flagship fundamentals without the fluff, all at an astonishing price. It's an affordable smartphone that's packed with features, such as a great screen, plenty of power, and a set of capable cameras, all wrapped up in a package that belies its affordable price. It is a best buy if you want an affordable, all-but flagship 5G phone with a great camera setup. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Google Pixel 4a with 5G. It could be confused with the smaller Pixel 4a at a glance, with the same matte plastic unibody design, rear capacitive fingerprint sensor, hole-punch front-facing camera, and even identically sized bezels. It has a good heft to it, with a similar feeling of density in hand when compared to the smaller Pixel 4a. The curved edges yield a comfortable and ergonomic shape to hold, even for extended periods, though it's a little less easily grip-able than the smaller phone. The phone is clearly faster than the smaller Pixel 4a, side by side with last year's Pixel 4, which has a higher-end chipset. The 3800 mAh battery in the 4a 5G may not be the biggest you can get in a phone this size, but Google manages to stretch it out to last all day. Google's Pixels are known for having some of the best smartphone cameras you can get, and a wide-angle camera is convincing with the Pixel 4a 5G. As compared to expensive Pixel 5, the Pixel 4a 5G should reflect on what you value in a phone and consider if this can deliver what they want for hundreds less. It is a best buy if you want Pixel 5 on a budget, camera performance, and long battery life. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. It is one of the best phones you can buy at its price point, with Xiaomi delivering exceptional value for money. This phone comes with a stunning screen, offering AMOLED technology and a 120Hz refresh rate, and continue with an excellent set of cameras. The headline is a 108 megapixels whopper which is backed up by a reasonable ultra-wide and a surprisingly decent telemacro. Core specs are decent, hinging on the Snapdragon 732G to ensure smooth performance. However, the Redmi Note 10 Pro doesn't support 5G, which might be a deal-breaker, but it is the best budget phone with great options. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Sony Xperia 10 II. It's a neat combination of sleek glass surfaces and a rugged plastic frame. That plastic frame also serves a couple of practical purposes beyond lowering the price. The matte material provides ample grip, while it also contributes to the phone's lightness. It's a mere slip of a thing at just 151 grams. While rivals are tripping over themselves to include in-display fingerprint sensors that largely prioritize form over function, Sony has quietly nailed it with this quicker and more reliable method housed underneath a chunky power button on the right-hand edge. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it also has IP65 dust and IP68 water-resistant rating. It sports a 6-inch OLED display, which is fairly small by modern standards. It's also a particularly tall and narrow display, courtesy of Sony's preference for a 21:9 aspect ratio, which is supported by streaming services such as Netflix and Amazon. Landscape games also tend to benefit from the super widescreen treatment, particularly visually dense action games like COD Mobile. Its triple camera system is almost as balanced and symmetrical as its design. Regarding its battery life, if you are not a heavy user, and only tend to hit around 3 or 4 hours of screen on time with little in the way of heavy media usage, this could be a 2-day phone for you. This phone is a best buy for its solid, understated design, balanced, notchless 21:9 OLED display, and reliable side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Oppo Find X3 Lite. It feels great to the touch, doesn't show up every fingerprint, and feels safer in your grasp than anything with a glass back. The front display, which is bright, vivid, and clear, is only disrupted by a small punch hole for the selfie camera, sensibly placed in the top left corner. The fingerprint sensor is embedded under the display, so it keeps things minimalistic and clean looking. It has a quad-lens camera setup, with its main camera offering a resolution of 64 megapixels and a digital zoom of up to 20x and a 32 megapixels selfie camera on the front. As far as its battery life concerns, it will comfortably last you all day even with moderate use. It is a best buy because it offers everything you need in a reliable fashion without quite standing out in either direction. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.